Grate the onion and mix it with the ground meat and the spices. Knead the mixture well for about 5 minutes. Shape the mixture into small round balls and fry them in oil until browned, then set aside. Wash the sour cherries, remove their pits, add the sugar, and cook on low heat for 10 minutes to release the cherry juice. Parboil the rice with some salt and boiling water, then drain it. Pour some saffron and oil into the bottom of a pot, arrange the potato slices in the pot for the bottom crust. Add a layer of white rice, then a layer of the meatballs and cherries. Continue layering in this way. Pour some of the cherry juice over the top layer of rice. Cover the pot with a kitchen towel and lid, and let it steam on low heat for 30 minutes. Mix a few spoons of the steamed rice with saffron and set aside. Similarly, mix a few spoons of white rice with cherry syrup. Garnish the dish with slivered pistachios and almonds before serving.